Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number. Today is Wednesday, right? Day number 3, yeah. Day number 3, week 11. Day number 3, week 11, spring 2026 of our journey together. That's day number 3, week 11, spring 26 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Hopefully, you had a wonderful day, and we are ready for the journey for this evening. All right. So let me go ahead and head up for us. So my name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, the 25th of March, 2026. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And the topic is, we're still on our geometry series. So we're still looking at geometrical concepts. So again, geometrical concepts and rules. Right. So again, my name is Mr. Petit. Let me head that up. The subject is, of course, math. And we have geometrical concepts and rules that we'll be looking at. All right. Okay, cool. All right, so let me move this and let's sort of kind of get the space ready. We're gonna begin with basically some of the same questions that we looked at yesterday, but with a little interesting twist to it. It's a little interesting.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. That's with a little interesting twist to it. Good evening. Good evening. All right. So some of these questions would look just, interesting, but it's just gonna be the same rules and principles that we have been using all along. The exact same rules and principles, right? No new rules and new principles will be introduced. It's just seeing it from different angles and different perspectives and stuff like that. All right. That's one thing about these questions is they could bring it in different ways, but you just have to be able to spot them, to spot it. All right. And once you get good at spotting it, you should be pretty good. So these are our 3 questions that we're gonna do. One more question. I think we did something like this before. We definitely did that yesterday. We're gonna do this one. So this is our last one. All right, cool. All right. Yeah, we definitely did that. And then it's just like a bunch of long ones. All right, so cool. So we have these 3. So let me go ahead and title it properly, like number it properly. And so this is number 1. Let me go ahead and unmute the rest of us who are just joined. All right. Good day. Brene Sweeting, where's Brene?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just need to change your name. Good. Okay, cool. All right, so let's begin. So let me go ahead and number them first. So this is number 1, right? This is number 2, right? And this is number 3. All right, so we have number 1, number 2, and number 3, right? All right, so let's go ahead and answer these. So for number 1, it's really interesting, right? Because we have 2A, we have A, we have B, right? So again, we have 2A, we have A, and we have B, and we have this box. So can someone tell me how we're gonna get A? A is a bit interesting. Anyone can tell me how you're gonna get A? Any ideas?
Uh,
Go ahead,
I have an
Kane.
idea.
Go ahead.
One of the ways is we could look at it and angles around a common point add up to 180 degrees.
Okay, which one you're looking at? You say add up to 180 degrees or 360
For A, right?
for A? So you want, okay, so you're saying this A?
Yeah, so sorry, I
Okay.
mean like on a flat surface.
Okay, you mean angles on a straight line?
Yeah, so
Okay, angles on a straight line at a common point add up to
180.
180. But this is B, this is A, and this is B. Like we don't have no like angles like what we could subtract from.
We could do 180 divided by 2.
No, we don't know
Or
we
if
don't,
there's anything in that
180
little
subtract
crevice right
90.
there, we could do vertically opposite angles, but nothing there.
but nothing is there. Yeah. So we don't have any angles for A and B so far.
I think it's a isosceles triangle, even though I don't have it, but it's
You can't assume that's isosceles, China. It has to have the lines. So any ideas on how we're gonna do this? Interesting question, huh? So
180 subtract 90.
okay, that's a good start. That's a very
Or
good start.
180 minus 90, and whatever you get divided by 3, because it say
Yeah.
2A in the left.
That's kind of what I did.
Yes, yes, very good. Go ahead, Dominic. Dominic. Okay, can't have Dominic no more. Okay, so that's a
No, that was the Wi-Fi. Now good.
okay. Go ahead. How about go ahead, explain yourself.
I was gonna say, I also did subtracted 180 from 90 because of the little box in the corner,
Mm-hmm. And then what
and
you did,
then
uh-huh.
since 180 minus 90 is 90, I divided that by 3 because 2A plus A is 3A.
Yes. Yes, very
90
good.
divided by 3 is 30.
Very good. So that's exactly the way to do it. Class, what does the box mean? What does this box mean?
90 degrees.
90
It means
degrees.
very good. It means 90 degrees. And how many A's we have altogether, right? We have
2.
2A.
3?
We have 2A right here. Right, so we have 2A here. But we also have what? Another A here, right? So we have 2A plus what? Plus A, which is really 2A plus 1A. And what is 2A plus 1A? That's going to give us what?
3A.
3A. Very good. Again, Acacia, what is 2A plus 1A?
3.
3A. Very good. So that gives us 3A. So we're going to take 180 and subtract it with what? 180. Yeah, 180. So basically, we do it in 2 steps. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to subtract. So we're going to subtract 180 degrees. So we subtract 180. So we say 180 degrees minus what? Minus
90 degrees.
minus 90 degrees. What does that give us?
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Very good, that gives us 90 degrees. It's going to be equal to 90 degrees because 180 degrees minus 90 is still 90. It's going to be 90 degrees.
And then you divide 90 by 3, right?
Very good. And then we divide 90 by 3. Why do we divide 90 by 3?
Because it's 3A.
Very good, because it's 3A, right? Sharnik, you understand why we're dividing 90 by 3?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we're trying to figure out what 1A is. We have 3 A's. We're trying to figure out what 1A is. So it's going to be 90 divided by 90 divided by 3. And what is 90 divided by 3? That's going to give us what?
30.
30 degrees.
30 degrees. So that means that, what does that mean? That means that A is equal to
30 degrees.
30 degrees. Very good. So that's what A is. So, but that's not what B is. So we get that A is 30. So good stuff for A. A is
B would
30
also
degrees.
be 30, right?
No, A is 30. What is 2A? 2A is what? 2 times 30. What is 2 times 30?
60.
60. So what is 2A?
60.
60.
60 degrees. Very good. So we have a triangle whereby we have 90 degrees, 60 degrees, and 30 degrees. Now, if you add 90 plus 60 plus 30, what does that give you? If you add 90 plus 60 plus 30, what does that give you?
180.
180. Very good. So cool. But that's what A is. A is 30, right? But what is B? So how are we going to get B? How are we going to get B? Good afternoon.
180.
B is going to be equal to
180 minus 30.
very good 180 degrees minus 30.
I was thinking that, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah, because remember the rule? The rule says that what angles on a straight line, right? So we have these two angles, they're on a straight line, right? Let me make that line straighter. They're on a straight line, right? They are what? They add a common
Point.
They add a common point. So angles on a straight line add a common point, add up to 180. So that means that 30 and B should be equal to 180. What is 180 minus 30?
150 degrees.
150 degrees, very good. So it's going to be 150 degrees. So B is going to be equal to 150. And the reason for that is because angles on a straight line at a common point add up to 180 degrees. So that means that B is 150. All right. So B is 150, A is 30, 2A is 60, and this is 90. All right. All right. Any questions on that? Let me know if y'all understand this. Any questions so far?
I understand.
Okay. That's only Adasa. Anyone else? Any questions on this so far?
And so
Good. All right, cool. So let's move on to number 2. So for number two is kind of interesting as well. So we need to figure out what, there's different things we could do. I think the easiest one here is to figure out what C is. Tyler, how are we gonna figure out what C is? Tyler. So we have C. How are we gonna figure out what C is, Tyler?
We're gonna figure out what C is by subtracting 180 from 133
Very good. Why are we doing that? What's the rule?
because angles on a straight line adds up to 180.
Very good. Very good. So she said the right rule. So C is gonna be equal to 180 degrees minus 133. Now class, what rule are we using? What rule are we using for this?
Angles on a line with a common point equal 180 degrees.
Very good. I don't only want to hear Dominique. The rest of us, what rule are we using for this one?
Angles on a straight line at a common point add up to 180.
Very good. Angles on a straight line at a common point add up to 180 degrees. So we have 180 minus minus 133, which gives us what?
47 degrees.
47 degrees. Very good. And the reason, let's put the reason. The reason is angles on a straight line at a common point add up to 180 degrees. That's the reason. Cool. So we got C. So C is pretty straight. All right. Gibran, not Gibran, Carlton.
Yes, sir.
How did we get C and what is the reason?
Angles on a straight line at a common point adds up to 180 degrees.
So what did we do? What did we do to get C?
Subtract 180 with 133 degrees.
And that gives us what?
47 degrees.
Very good. Carlton, you writing this down or you just looking at the screen?
I'm writing it down.
That's good. And you understand this?
I kind of understand it. I wasn't here from the last 2 days because my Wi-Fi was acting up.
Oh, okay. So this is a good rule for you then. All right, so pay close attention. If you have any questions, let me know. By the way, we are having classes over the Easter break. So we still have classes in the evening. The good thing about that is at least you'll have the whole day free. You only have classes in the evening.
I don't think that's too good.
Yeah, that's good news, man. You have the whole day free. The whole day free. You only have classes in the evening.
Never mind, then I'll cancel the game plans.
Say cancel the game. You have all day free. You just have to come to class 6 to 9. Look at that.
Well, what if I go that night?
And if you go, then just come to class for 6 to 9. Simple. Not hard. All right, so we have. Okay, so how are we gonna get B? We're gonna get B. Any ideas for B? Let me ask Sharnik. Sharnik, how are we gonna get B? Sharnik, what's your idea for B? Where is Sharnik? Sharnik, can you hear me? Can't hear from Sharnik. That's weird. She usually answers. Shamar, where's Shamar? Where's Shamar? Can't hear from the S's. What happened to my S people? Shamar, can you hear me? I think from Shamar. How about Rihanna? Rihanna Mitchell? No. And Patrick? Patrick, can you hear me? Where's Patrick?
Yes, sir.
So how are we gonna get B? I kind of have it already drawn here. This is a backward looking what? A backward looking. What shape is this, Patrick? A backward looking what? Patrick, what shape is this? Or letter, I should say.
C.
A backward looking what? C, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what do we know about backward looking C? Are they co-interior angles?
Yes, yes.
Yes, they are. Do you have the rules?
No side, messed up part.
You didn't miss the rules. Okay, so we gave the rules on. I'm gonna go back to the rules. Let me go back to the rules for you all. So the rules, I'm gonna go back after this slide. But the rule says that angles, co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. And they form a C shape. So they add up to how many degrees?
180.
180.
Patrick, how many degrees?
180.
Very good. And what sort of shape do they form?
A backward C.
It could be a forward C or a backward C, right? Both works. So what does that mean? That means that if we're trying to find B, we already know that this is 47. If we're trying to find B, how are we gonna do that, Patrick? What are we gonna do?
So if you try to find B and you already see that be 180, take away 47.
Very good. Did anyone get the answer for this? 180 minus 47.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
I
Mhm.
thought I got it.
Yes.
I was wondering, like, how come we only using the lines that touching angles B and C?
What do you want to do? What other way you want to?
Cause I was just trying to figure out, like, how come we only using B and C? Cause we also could have been using A or 70, and I wasn't too sure.
You could use A and 70. That would be, you could use A and 70. And when once you find A, you could still have to find C, and then you could use C to find B.
So basically, all I have to do is find or I use the other variable, or if there are no other variables, just use another degree.
Yes.
And only one, right?
I mean, there's different ways to do it. So you may find it one way, someone else may find it another way using a different rule. For example, if you look at this, right? We couldn't just only use the co-interior angle rule. We could also use the alternate angles rule. Because what is B, right? We say B is 133, right? But this is also 133. How is that the case? Because if you remember the other rule, the Z-shape rule, I don't know if you remember that.
Yeah,
but
sure.
This also forms a Z, if you look carefully. So that means that these are alternate angles. So that means that if this is 133 here, B should also be what? 133. So it still works, right? You could use co-interior angles or you could use alternate angles. Like it doesn't matter which one, right?
Yeah, so thank you.
No problem. So the reason is co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. They form a C shape. Now the C shape could be backward looking or forward looking. All right. Once again, Patrick, because I know you didn't initially get it. How did we get B? What did we do? How did we get B? Patrick.
So you subtract C 20 and then you subtract C from 180.
Very good. What was C in our case?
47.
47 degrees. Very good. And what is the rule that we use?
Co-interior angles add up to 180.
And what shape do they form? At least with letter shape.
A C
They form
forward
a C.
or
Forward or backwards. Very good. So this is going to be 47. Andre, your mic is on. It's going to be 47 degrees. And this is going to be 133 degrees. Cool. All right, next. Now we need to find A. All right, so with A, I'm going to ask the class to help me with that. Anyone can answer? How are we going to get
70?
A?
Would it be 70?
It would be 70. Why you say it'd be 70?
Because
We could use alternate angles.
Alternate angles? Why you say alternate angles?
Because, like, the angle for B and the angle for A, I can't remember what the rule called, but all I know is like when the two angles kind of look like some type of S, that's an alternate angle, I think. And
But
I think they're equal.
no, but it has to be, you got to be careful. It
Could
has
it be
to be,
corresponding angle?
yes, it's corresponding. But it has to be, Kanan, it has to be when two lines, so these are parallel lines, right? And the parallel lines a transversal must cross them. That's the only time you could apply the Z-shape method along here. Along, like one parallel line, one parallel line. If you try to apply it to your method, there's only one parallel line. You can't do that. It has to be parallel line number one, parallel line number two, and then interior angles inside there. All right? So you have parallel line one, parallel line number two, and the transversal cutting them. You can't say B and A because there's only one parallel line. You can't do that like that. It has to be across two parallel lines. All right?
I understand, and I find another way.
Find another way. Okay, so what is your another way?
My other way
Uh-huh.
is that Hold on, I might have do it wrong.
Am I doing
Yeah,
wrong?
I think I do it wrong.
All right, that's no problem. We could use Leah. She's telling us a very good way, which is corresponding angles. Now, corresponding angles, no problem to Mia. Corresponding angles form with sort of shape. Based on our rules, we said it forms with sort of
An
shape.
F shape.
An F shape. I only heard from Leah. The rest of us, what do corresponding
shape.
angles form? Which what letter do they form?
C shape.
A who?
F shape.
A F shape.
I
A
thought
F.
circle interior, my bad.
No problem. So they form an F shape. So this is our F shape, right?
So, Miss
So,
Latif,
so the idea here, one second. So the idea here is that this angle here, let's look at 70. So as it relates to this transversal, right? The same transversal right there, is 70 at the top or is 70 at the bottom? 70. As it relates to this line, is 70 at the top?
bottom
Is 70 at the top of it or at the bottom of it as it relates to this line?
or
The
top?
top.
It's the top of it, right? Good. As it relates to this line right here, the same one, is 70 to the left of it or to the right of it?
Right?
To the right. So 70 is at the top right. Okay. Now let's go to A. As it relates to this line here, the same parallel line, is A on top of it or below it?
On top.
On top, very good. As it relates to this line right here, is A to the left of it or to the right of it?
The right.
To the right. So what does that tell you about 70 and A? They are what?
Equal?
They are equal and they are corresponding angles. Because 70 is at the top right and A is at the top right, right? And they form the F shape. So what do we know about corresponding angles? They are equal. So A is equal to 70 degrees. So that's one thing about corresponding angles. They form an F shape and they are equal to each other. So we're just gonna say that A is equal to 70 degrees. So A is equal to.
I really hope I remember all this.
Yeah, I hope you remember it too. It's a lot to remember, a lot of rules, but it's just practice, 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 practice. That's why we're doing so many questions, right? So,
I think I'm lose my brain.
yeah, some people don't like angles and stuff because there's a lot of rules, but the thing is, once you get used to it, you know, corresponding angles are equal. Once you get used to it, you'll be able to identify it so good. They form an F shape. All right. Once you remember the shapes are C shape, F shape, Z shape, and then you remember vertically opposite angles, you should be good. All right.
It could also be backwards, right?
It could be forward or back with F, right? So A is 70. All right, cool. So any questions on how we got A? Any questions on how we got A? Nikhil Gardner. It's Nikhil Gardner. Nikhil Gardner. Where's Nikhil Gardner? Sharonik, can you hear me? Where's Sharonik? And
Yes, sir.
I wasn't able to hear you earlier. Do you understand this? Number 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Shamar and Rihanna Mitchell. Is there any? Can y'all hear me? Can I hear from y'all? Because I'm not really able to hear from y'all. Shamar and Rihanna. Okay, cool.
I can have you.
Rihanna. Oh, there's Rihanna. Do you understand this, Rihanna? Where is she? Then she left. Wait, I think she's just talking. Hello, Rihanna. Can you hear me? 1 second, class. All right. Rihanna, I heard you earlier, but then now I don't hear you. Rihanna, are you there? She disappeared. Okay. Adasa, where's Adasa?
Sir?
Your mic keep on flickering on and off. So make sure be careful. Malia roll. Where's Malia roll? Malia roll. Where's Malia? Can't really from Malia. So we could go to Courtney. Courtney. Can you hear me, Courtney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you'll have to deal with the feedback, right? Because I hearing myself. Courtney, how can we do number 3? Do you have any idea how we can do number 3?
R equals
what rule we could use? What rule we could use?
Co-interior angles add up to 180.
No, I talking about number 3, you know. Talk about number 3. What do we know about angles on a straight line?
They add up to 180 degrees.
Very good. Angles on a straight line at a common point add up to
180.
Very good. Now say it with confidence one more time.
Angles on the straight line add up to 180 degrees.
Very good. Angles on a straight line at a common point add up to 180 degrees. So if we know that this is 64 and this is 52, and we know that all of them, 64 are and 52 add up to 180. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add what? We're gonna add
180.
No, we're gonna add what?
64 plus 52.
Very good. We're gonna add 64 plus 52. Class, when you add 64 and 52, what y'all get?
116 degrees.
100 and what?
116.
116. So 64 and 52 gives us 116. So we're gonna add them, and when we add them, Courtney, what we get?
116.
Very good, but we're not done because after we add them, we have to subtract them with what?
180.
180. Very good. So 180 degrees minus 180 degrees minus 160. And class, what y'all get when y'all subtract them?
64.
Y'all got 60?
4.
64 degrees. Very good. That's gonna be equal to 180 minus 116, which gives us 64 degrees. All right. And Courtney, what is the reason again? What's the reason?
Angles on the straight line as a common point add up to 180 degrees.
Very good. Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Straight line at a common point add up to 180 degrees. Does that make sense to your class, or you're still kind of lost?
It makes sense.
All right, I'm only here for Padasa as usual. The rest of us?
Yes, sir, it does.
Does it make sense?
It makes sense.
Yes, sir.
So we say that R is equal to what? 64. I need everyone to respond when I answer asking the questions, because then when I ask all questions, then persons don't know the answer. That's not good, right? So make sure you are responding so I can know that you get it. All right, so are we done writing, or are you still writing?
I'm practically done.
Done.
But it's just done. All
I'm
right.
still writing.
Okay, so take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to go ahead and do that. Leah, are you still writing?
I sent it.
Okay, good. I got that. Mm-hmm.
If we have a quiz today, there's no misclicks today. I promise you that.
No misclicks. All right, I believe that. I believe. Where's Nalia? Nalia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Nalia, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Have you sent in your work?
I send it right now.
That's good. Malia Rule, where's Malia Rule? Where is she? Yeah, they have from Malia Rule.
You can hear me?
I can hear you now. I was calling you earlier. Do you understand this, Malia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Are you writing this down, Malia?
I had to finish this picture right now.
That's good. All right, cool. Leslie, where's Leslie?
Yeah.
Do you understand this, Leslie?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Have you sent in your work?
I'm sending it now.
I need everyone, thank you. I need everyone to send in their work, please. Thank you, Ayana, Maki. Thank you, Leslie. Thank you. Carly C, Masacha, Avery, Sharon A. Brown, Latavia, Emily, Acacia, Malik. Again, not much boys. I don't see Andre work. I don't see Cleveland work. I don't see.
Mr. Petit, I sent my work with a steak and a while load because my internet out.
All right, Anthony, good. I don't see Keyshawn work. I don't see I see Malik work. I don't see Patrick work. I don't see Courtney work. I don't see Caden work. I don't see.
my work, Mr. Petit.
Yes, I see it. My boys, I am not seeing your work. I'm mainly only seeing the girls. So what y'all doing? Jai Thompson, Jed Monroe, Jemo,
Mr. Petit.
Joel. Yes.
Mr. Petit. Oh, I
Yes.
did reach late, so like I'm not finished writing it down. I did reach late. I did
Okay.
reach like when you was on B for number 2.
No problem, but you have to send the work, right?
I understand. I just say
Yeah.
I'm not finished writing this yet.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Nalia. I need the boys to send in the work. Mainly only the girls are sending their work. Where's Clayton Murphy? Where's your work? Christian Lang.
Hi, Mr. Pete, my mother's currently off the island right now, so I don't know how to get the work because my phone still needs to be fixed.
Okay. So who you home with? If you're home with some guardian, they have the phone. You could ask them.
Okay.
Yeah, someone home, you could ask them to use their phone. Do you know my number? Let me send my number inside the chat again. My number is 426-8891. You could use their phone and send a picture to WhatsApp via WhatsApp to me, right?
Oh.
Good. All right, cool. So that's that. I'm gonna go to the rules because some people still don't know the rules. So I'm gonna go to the original rules so that we can have a good sense of what we're doing, right? So you need to know the rules. If you don't know the rules, like this topic would not make sense at all. So you have to know the rules, right? So cool. So let me go ahead and discard all this. Cloud drawings. So I'm gonna go.
Mr. Petit.
Yes. I
Did
kind of
you-
read it. Kind of already deleted it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But I can get it back.
Thank
Okay.
you.
No problem. So I'm gonna go to the rules for some people. These are the rules. So these are the rules. Please, if you do not have it, please take a picture of this. I think Carlton Strawn needs this. And everyone who is not here on Monday and who need the rules, these are the rules. You're not gonna be able to answer these questions if you don't have the rules.
Mr. Petit.
Yep.
I just deleted and get it back.
I mean, that's just like this kind of magic trick.
He's AI, he could do anything.
That's right.
Except be God.
That is true. That is true now. All right, so okay, so Brandon Campbell. When you log in, Brandon, make sure log in with your actual name and not B. All right, so
Sorry for being late. I just rejoined.
No problem. I'm saying when you log in, right? Log in with your actual name. Don't just put B. So we could make sure I'll have you in attendance. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is we're going to, okay, so those are the rules. So if you don't know the rules, you're not gonna be able to answer these questions. So you have to know the rules, right? So let's go back to our original slide that we started off with. I can't wait till we get into algebra. Golly, this geometry thing is.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Would be better than geometry right now.
Would be better than geometry, right? Right now, anything better. But geometry is easy though. Like when you read, once you read.
Algebra
Yeah,
harder.
easy, but like I
No,
don't like geometry at all. No.
You don't like geometry at all? At
I
all?
like geometry more than algebra.
Oh.
You like
I think
geometry?
algebra is way harder.
No, man. Algebra just sound hard. Algebra is so easy.
Letters.
It's
Algebra is.
easy. I just don't like it.
You sound like it. Okay, that's an interesting way to put it. I don't really like. I mean, which one I rather do? That's a good question. I think I rather do algebra now that I think about it. But I mean, I don't know, babe, because all of them. That's a good question. I need to think about that. Algebra or geometry? Well, I definitely geometry is harder to teach. That's for sure. It's just too much rules, man. But in terms of implementation, I think you get easy points using geometry. Because they literally can give you a point because it's vertically opposite. Imagine that. You get a point because it's vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Boom.
178.
Literally, I'm serious.
I got like a bunch of points on my exam just because of that, and I was happy after that. So because I didn't have to do much.
Yeah, you don't have to do none with once it's vertically opposite, what you gonna do? If vertically opposite, they equal. Corresponding angles equal. Boom, done. It's finished. You finished. Like there's nothing else to say. It's only when it's like co-interior angles, and then Adasi, I might keep on unmuting. It's only when it's like co-interior angles, and it's like you have to subtract 80 and then then they add algebra in geometry. I think they get weird, but okay. So these are two questions. I want to do one more, like another like kind of interesting question, because we usually do three, right? So we usually do three. So let's insert this third one out. Okay, so this is a geometry question, but it's like not like I have it in my geometry slides. It's a geometry question, but it's like an interesting geometry question. It's like kind of have to think about it. So not much diagrams for these three, right? Or not many diagrams for these three, but just something straightforward. All right, so we have we're gonna call this one number 1. We're gonna call this one number 2. We're gonna call this one number 3. All right. So okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to okay, so what rule are we gonna use for number 1? What rule y'all thinking? Anyone can answer. What rule are we gonna use for number 1? Huh? We don't know?
Angle to
Oh, come on.
I do know, but I can't remember
Angles
exactly.
All right. Leah, I don't want you to answer. Davin, I don't want you to answer. Adasa, I don't want you to answer. No.
Huh?
No, I don't want y'all to answer. I know y'all know.
This is one
I know y'all know.
You're able to check.
So they're not gonna
Vertically
answer.
opposite angles are equal.
No.
Angles around a point add up to 360.
Very good, Anthony. Very good. Did y'all hear him?
Yes, sir.
I mean, his voice is deep. Gosh. Oh my goodness. Angles around the board. Say it again, Anthony. Y'all can see what I'm saying. Say it again.
Angles around a point add up to 360.
All right, good. There you have it.
I see your point now.
Exactly. All right, so he is right. Hopefully y'all heard him. Angles around a point add up to 360 because we have this point here. And let me do it properly. So we have this point. This is the point here. And the angles are around this point. So what is one complete revolution? Or one complete turn? That's going to be
360 degrees.
360 degrees, right? So that's the rule we're going to use for this one. Leslie, can you remind us of what rule we're going to use for this one? Leslie. Leslie? Where's Leslie?
Yeah.
Can you remind us of the rule that we're going to use for this one?
Angles around a point add up to 360.
Very good. Angles around a point out of 360. So let me ask you a question. Where's Layla?
Yeah.
So we know that angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. But what is the first thing we're going to do in order to answer this question?
Figure out the different degrees.
Okay, so we're going to add with 2 degrees.
110 and 72.
Very good. So we're going to add them. Good. And class, when y'all add 110 plus 72, what did y'all get?
182.
182.
110 plus 72 is 182. Very good. So, Layla, what is the sum of 110 and 72?
182 degrees.
Very good. Now, Layla, what do we know about angles around a point? They add up to how many? How many degrees? They add up to what?
360.
360. So we have to subtract something. What are we going to subtract?
360 minus 182.
Very good. 360 minus 182. Very good, Layla. So we're going to say 360 minus 182. Layla, have you sent in your notes as yet for the day?
So I about to send it now.
Okay, so make sure don't forget to send your notes, right?
Yes,
So we have 360 minus 182. And what y'all get when y'all subtract them?
178.
178. I got that as well. 178. Now 178, I'm going to give y'all the options. Is it an acute angle? Is it an obtuse angle? Is it a straight angle? Is it a reflex angle? Or is it a complete angle? 178.
Obtuse.
Oh, who?
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
Obtuse, very good. Why is it obtuse?
Because
Because
it's
it's
less
kind of
than
wide.
80, but more than 90 degrees.
Say it again. It is?
Less than 180 and more than 90 degrees.
Very good. So G is equal to 178. And Layla, can you give us the reason again?
Pardon me?
Angles around.
Angle around a point adds up to 360 degrees.
Very good. All right, does this make sense to the rest of us?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. And as you can see, very simple, right? None hard but this. Latavia, you understand this? That's Latavia.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Christian Lang, where's Christian Lang? Christian Lang. Where's Christian Lang? Christian Lang, can you hear me? Can't really hear from Christian.
Hello?
Christian. Yes, can you hear me, Christian Lang?
Second.
So my question is, can you read number 2 for me, please?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay. It says the acute angle measures 25 degrees. Calculate the size of the reflex.
The reflex angle x. Very good. So can anyone can answer this, by the way? How are we gonna get the reflex angle x?
Subtract 360. I mean 25 from 360.
Do we agree with her? She's saying that's for us to get the
Yes, sir.
reflex angle x. You have to subtract 360 with 25. Y'all, 360? Why are we using 360?
Because
Angles around
Angles around the point.
How much is around it?
Very good. Angles around the point add up to 360 degrees. So we have 360 degrees, right? Minus what? 25 degrees. And this is what we call a reflex angle, because the reflex angle is greater than 180, but less than 360 degrees. So this is the reflex angle x. All of this, and the behind, that's what we call the reflex angle. It's the reflex angle, right? Reflex angle. It's greater than 180, but less than 360. Now let me ask the question. When y'all subtract 360 and 25 degrees, what did y'all get?
335.
335.
335? Very good. So 360 minus 25 is going to be 335. And the reason is that angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. That's the reason. So 335. So it's going to be, the reason is going to be angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. All right, cool. And let me kind of show it to you in this picture. This is the point here, right? And this is the full circle that we have here. Angles around the same point in the middle, angles around the same point is going to be equal to 360 degrees. Angles around the same point. All right, that's what we have there. So just keep that in mind whenever you're doing these sort of questions. All right, cool. So, Kanan, you understand this? Where's Kanan? Currently I'm from Kanan. So we're gonna go with Kalia. Kalia, do you understand number 2? You understand
Yes,
this?
sir. Some of them getting there.
Getting there? Okay, no problem. Did you send any notes for this evening?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Kelvin Gordon, where's Kelvin Gordon?
Wait, 17.
Mm-hmm.
Can I be excused, me?
Mm-hmm, we can. Kelvin Gordon, where's Kelvin Gordon? Kelvin Gordon, can you hear me? Where's he?
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, no.
You understand it so far?
Kind of.
Say it again.
I said kind of.
Kinda. Are you paying attention?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Have you sent in your notes as yet?
Not as yet.
Say it again.
No, not yet.
Okay. So make sure I send in your notes, Kelvin. I need to see your notes, right?
Okay.
Good. All right. So number 3. It says how many degrees are in 1/3 of a revolution? How you think we're gonna go about answering that one?
1/3 times 360 over 1.
Do we agree with that?
I agree with it.
Do we agree with that?
I agree.
You agree? Yeah. Why 360?
Because one revolution is 360 degrees.
Very good. That's literally what a revolution is. So one revolution is 360 degrees. A revolution is a complete turn, by the way. So one revolution is 360 degrees. So they say 1/3 of a revolution. What does of means in mathematics? 1/3 of Of is
Times.
multiplication, yeah. Of is multiplication. So we say 1/3 multiplied by what? 360. Good day. 360 over 1.
1.
And so all we need to do is we need just to multiply, right? So we're going to say 1 times 360, which gives us what?
360.
360, yeah.
Mr. Petit,
Mm-hmm.
good evening. When you get the chance, can you go back so I can get a picture of the old notes, please?
No problem. And then 3 times 1 gives us what?
3.
3. And then we do 360 divided by 3, which gives us what?
120.
360 divided by 3 is 120. So that means that 1/3 of a revolution is 120 degrees. So the answer here is 120. Now I can show how I divide it. I think that's important that I do that. Show what we did to get our answer here. Again, it's 1/3 of a revolution, and a revolution is a complete turn. That is to say, a revolution is 360 degrees. So we're gonna use sort of a nice color here, you know, easy periwinkle, and now, and we're gonna divide. So I'm going to divide 3, so I'm gonna say 3 into, so 3 into 360 degrees. And it's a simple division. Everyone in here should be able to do this. 3 goes into itself. Well, 3 goes into, 3 goes into itself how many times? Once. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
0. Yes, Joel. Right now under
They say I had to go somewhere.
6.
I will be right back though.
No problem. 3 goes into 6 how many times? 2 times. Yeah. 3 times 2 is? 6. And 6 minus 6 is?
0.
0. Bring down the?
0.
Bring down the 0. How many times does 3 go into 0?
0 times.
0 times 3 times 0 is?
0.
0. 0 minus 0 is?
0.
0. And so that means that it's the quotient. It's going to be what? 100 and 120. So how many degrees are in 1/3 of a revolution?
120 degrees.
120. Very good. 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Very good. And that's how we do it, right? That's how we do it. So, any questions on this before we move off of this? Any questions, comments, queries, concerns, challenges, issues?
So, Mr. Petit, the reflex angle is 360 degrees.
No, a reflex angle is more than 180, less than 360.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but a revolution is 360. So a revolution here is 360. All right. Are y'all finished writing this down, or y'all not finished writing this down?
I'm finished. Yes,
All right.
sir.
All right. So take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to send their work, please. Kelvin Gordon. Are you done? You done writing this down, Kelvin?
Yes, sir.
That's good. So send it to me, please. And then we have
Mr. Petit?
Mm-hmm.
Please don't forget to go back for me.
That is right. That is right. That is right. Okay, I have to delete all this though. All right. Clear out. And we bring it back here. Okay, cool. So this is what we did earlier. This is our first question. Just these 3. So
Okay, good. This is easy.
good.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, cool. All right, very good. All right, so let's go ahead and do the rest of these, right? So if there's any questions, just let me know. These ones are going to be the longer versions. Like they have like tons of questions on these. So they ask different questions, da 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 da. It's a long question. It's not hard, it's just long. So it's gonna be one question, it's gonna take up the whole board, right? So it is a long question, that's all, but it's not difficult. All right, so don't think, oh, Mr. Petit giving us hard questions. No, it's not hard, it's just long. All right, so here we have this image, kind of interesting, right? And we have some questions based on this image. All right, so several things we want to figure out. We want to figure out, we want to know the size of A. So we're going to calculate the size of angle A. So let's take the first one. Calculate the size of angle A. We want to figure out the size of angle B. We also want to figure out the size of, it's literally only these questions. I thought it was longer, so my bad. It is longer than we're used to, right? For these sort of questions. So we have 4 questions here that we have to tackle. And see how we do with these. So make sure to draw the diagram with sense. I trust you all to do that. Draw it as you see it. Right? Don't make up your own stuff. How many triangles do y'all see in this shape?
Two.
Only 2 triangles?
Yes, sir. There's more than two.
I'm asking. Isn't there a third one?
I doubt it. No.
I don't see a third one. I see two.
Y'all don't see the third one? Wow.
There's three.
I see it. I see it.
Where's the third one?
Like I might be wrong, but like it's the same shit. Like I'm looking at it from different angles.
Looking at it from different perspectives. All right, it's only
It's only
two.
two.
It's only 2. All right, it's only 2.
Thank,
All right.
thank you for making me doubt my eyes.
All right,
I
so
never doubted myself for a
Don't let
second.
him trick you. He's tricked people.
Oh, come on, Genesis. Come on, Genesis. You gotta think.
That ain't true. That ain't true. That's true.
All right, so what we have 2 different types of triangles. So we're gonna call this triangle 1. Wait, this is white, so y'all definitely can't see what I just wrote, right? So we have triangle 1, right? And then we have triangle number 2. Both of these triangles, we can name them different, right? What can we call triangle 1? What is the name of triangle 1?
Bertha? Isosceles.
Say Bertha. No, what's the name? What's the name? Oh gosh. What is the type of triangle is this? What type of triangle is this?
Isosceles.
Isosceles triangle, very good. So this isosceles triangle. How do we know it's isosceles triangle?
Because it has two equal sides.
Very good. These two lines means that the 2 sides of the triangle are congruent. That is to say they are equal in length. Not only are the 2 sides are equal, but also the 2 angles are equal. Right? That's what we mean by isosceles. But then we have triangle number 2, and triangle number 2, we have it's a different type of triangle. What's the type of triangle for number 2? How can we name this triangle? And everyone is quiet. Ethan A, Leah, China.
Triangle.
Who said that?
Leah.
Very good, Leah. So this is a right angle triangle. So number 2 is a right angle triangle. How do we know it's a right angle triangle? How do we know it's a right angle triangle?
Because on the other side, you can see that there's a right angle triangle. So that means the other side has to be equal as well.
Why does the other one have to be equal?
Because on angles on a straight line on a common point add up to 180 degrees.
Very good observation, Genesis. Very good. So if this is 90, then this must also be 90 because 90 plus 90 is 180 and angles on a straight line at a common point add up to 180 degrees. That means that this angle here is 90 degrees. If we have a triangle in which one of the angles are 90 degrees, then it's definitely going to be 90 degrees now. So number 2 is 90 degrees. So number 1, we have an isosceles triangle. Number 2, we have a right angle triangle or right triangle. So I just thought we just get a sense of, what triangles we're talking about so we could break things down, right? Cool. Now that we know that, let's go ahead and read these questions. So go ahead, Keyshawn, read A through D. These questions for me. Can I have from Keyshawn? Keyshawn, can you hear me? Where's Keyshawn? All right, so I can't have from Keyshawn, so we're gonna go with Caden. Where's Caden? Caden. Can't have from Caden, so we're gonna go with Carly C. Carly C, can you hear me? Carly C, can you hear me? Where's Carly C? Can't have from Carly C, so we're gonna go with Kadeja Davis. Kadeja Davis? Where's Kadeja Davis? No. How about Drusilla? Where's Drusilla? Drusilla, can you hear me? Drusilla, can you hear me? Where's Drusilla? No, so we're gonna go with.
Yes, sir. I'm ready. Sorry, this thing lagging.
Oh, it lagging. Oh, my bad. I want you to read the questions to me.
Okay. Calculate the size of angle A. B, write down the size of angle B. C, give the geometrical name for triangle JKL. And D, how many degrees are there in angle C?
Very good. Very good, Drusilla. Okay, cool. So thank you. So what we want to do is we want to figure out the angle A. So yeah, this is angle A. Does anyone have any idea of how we're gonna get angle A? Any idea on how we're gonna get angle A? So this is angle A. How are we gonna get angle A?
I might know.
Except Leo.
Come on.
And Dominic.
What the? I didn't see my answer yet.
No.
I actually know.
Dominic should get to say his answer.
No. Not
I'm
Leah
working
and
on
not
the phone.
Dominic. I need someone else who don't usually answer. How are we gonna get angle A? Teresa, you're speaking, but I can't hear you. I can't hear from Teresa. Anyone else?
It's the
Go ahead.
isosceles angle, right?
It is an isosceles triangle, yes.
Mr. Petit?
That means what's equal to A is also equal to B.
Yes, so that means whatever is equal to A is equal to B. Okay, now y'all thinking. So A and B are equal. Good. Because if it's isosceles triangle, that means that the sides are congruent and the angles are equal.
And you
Okay.
have to divide each by 2.
Divided by 2, but we can divide by 2.
Let's see.
Let's do.
Mr. Petit?
Go ahead, Genesis.
Sorry, I'm about to switch devices, so I just wanted to let you know so you'd be able to let me in.
No problem. How are we gonna get angle A and angle A? We do know that it's an isosceles triangle, so these two angles are equal. Go ahead, Cleveland.
Well, first of all, we get at 180, then we subtract it by 48. And once we get our answer, we divide it by that. We divide it by 2, and we make it even for A and B.
Leah and Davini Kanadasa, is he correct? Do y'all agree with us?
Are we the high council now?
Yes, he is correct.
He's
I
correct.
agree.
You agree?
I guess we're the high council, but yeah, I agree.
You agree? Leah, do you agree?
Yep, I just don't find
If
this
I
one.
ain't correct, y'all get $20.
Okay. All right, so the IEC is definitely correct. Very good. I'm glad that Cleveland got it. So cool. So we have first thing we have to do is we have to subtract, right? So we're gonna subtract. Use a different color. So we're gonna subtract. So the real reason, right, is that we know that we're dealing with an isosceles triangle. And with an isosceles triangle, that means that the two sides and the two angles are equal, which means that whatever A is equal to, B is also equal to. So these are equal angles, right? They're base angles and they're equal, right? And so all we need to do, since we know the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, all we need to do is subtract 180 with 48, and what y'all get when you subtract them? We get when we subtract it. We get what? 180 degrees minus 48 gives us what?
132.
132 degrees. So we got 132 degrees when we subtract them, but we're not done because we have to share this evenly. So we have to share this 132 evenly. So we're going to divide it evenly among two people. If I'm trying to divide 132 evenly among two people, right? If I'm trying to divide it evenly among two people, how am I going to?
Thank you.
No problem. What am I going to do with 132? I'm going to do what with the 132?
Divided by 2.
Divided by
2.
Divided by 2. So I'm going to say 132 divided by 2. And what's 132 divided by 2? That gives us what?
66.
66. Did anyone else get 66 degrees for that? So A, very good. So A is equal to 66 degrees. They already have the degree sign, so we don't have to put that in our answer, but we definitely put it in our working, right? So, cool. Do we understand how we got that, everyone? I don't know if you all understand that.
Yes.
Okay.
I got so distracted that I go and put my my working and my answer for B instead of for A.
Be careful. All right, Jordan Dames. Where's Jordan Dames? Where's Jordan Dames? Where's Jordan Dames? Jordan, can you hear me? Where's he? And Jamo Hamilton and Jed Monroe. Hamilton and Jed Monroe. Can you all hear me? Jamo Hamilton and Jed Monroe. So I not already hand for my J's. Jordan, Jamo, Jed Monroe. Can't hear from y'all. Jamo.
What next, Gene?
All right, so we're gonna go with Jaden. Jaden probably from? Jaden. Where's Jaden? Jaden Pipe, I'm sorry. Jaden, can you hear me? Okay, can't really hear from Jaden. And Jai. Jai, can you hear me? Jai Thompson, can you hear me? That's Jai. No? So we're gonna go with Emily. Emily, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how did we get our answer for part A?
180 take away 48 equals 132. And then you divide it by 2 because you divide it by 2.
Okay, why did we divide it by 2?
That I kind of forgot.
Because we know that these two angles are
The same?
they're
Like
equal.
they're equal?
Yes. And what type of triangle are we looking at?
We're looking at a
The same triangle. What we call it? An isosceles?
isosceles. My bad.
Yeah. Yes, isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle means that the two sides are what?
Are the same, equal.
And what about the two angles? They are also
Equal. And
so
the
we
same.
take very good. So we take our 48, subtract it with 180. That gives us 132, but we have to divide it because the two angles are
The same.
very good. And we get what?
66.
It's 6 degrees. Good. So Emily, what's gonna be our answer for B?
Answer for B is gonna be 66 also.
Very good. Class, do we agree with her? She is saying that B is also 66. Is that correct?
I agree.
B is also 66.
Yes, sir.
Why is B also 66?
Because two angles are equal.
Very good, because the two angles are equal. So A is 66 and B is also 66. So this
Excuse
is
me, Mr. Petit.
yes.
If someone put 48, would it still be right?
No, it wouldn't be right. There's no way it could be 48.
But that would still mean two angles equal though.
No, two of the base angles are equal. I think you had this question before.
Or it have to be the base ones.
Yeah, the base angles. So like these two flat, yeah. You can't say this one, these two are the base angles because the line here, so that would work. So you have the base angles and you have the one that's sort of like the, I guess we could call it the apex in a way, like the one at the top. So you have to look at the flat ones or the base angles, they are equal. Not just two random angles are equal. Two of the base angles are equal. Okay?
Yeah, sir.
Mm-hmm. All right. Cool. So B is 66 and A is 66. So that was pretty straightforward. 3 points just for subtracting and dividing. Easy. And then all we're gonna do is get the next point just for writing down that this is 66. So write that down. Okay, so next question. Deshaun, where's Deshaun?
Yes, sir.
Read C.
Give the geometrical name for triangle JKL.
Okay, so we have triangle JKL. What is the name of this triangle, Deshaun?
You say that again?
What's the name of this triangle? Triangle JKL. That's a what? Two sides are
Isosceles.
Very good, isosceles. He said isosceles. Is he correct, everyone? Was that what y'all was thinking as well?
Yes, he's correct.
Yeah, isosceles triangle. How do you know it's an isosceles triangle? Anyone can answer? How do we know?
The two lines.
The two marks.
Very good. The two lines indicate that two of the sides are equal. Okay. The two sides are equal. All right, so the two sides are equal. So what can I do here? I can also, oh, this is making me, okay, let's not do that. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Now it's normal. I want to increase the font. So let's see how we can increase the font. I remember increasing the font the other day and I don't know where that is. All right, sorry guys. I gotta be better. I don't know how to increase this font. All right, isosceles triangle is the answer. Wait, I might could do it if I just like, sorry. Maybe if I highlight it.
Already given us the computer giving us a warning that English go.
All right, isosceles triangle. All right, so yeah, I have to figure that out. Okay, then we have Damia. Damia, I remember she told me she's doing something, so I'm not sure if she's able to answer.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to answer now, or are you still working?
No, no, sir. I'm still working. I'm almost done though.
That's good. Okay, and let's go with Dorcia. Dorcia. Where's Dorcia? Dorcia, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dorcia. Are you writing this down, Dorcia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question says, how many degrees are there in C? How are we gonna get the answer for C? What do you think? We know that. Okay, let's work those step by step. We know that B is how much? How many degrees is B?
66.
Very good.
Cut the light on, I can't see.
We know that this angle here is what?
Okay, that's it.
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Very good. How do you know it's 90?
It of the little box.
Very good. So we know that this is 66. We know that B is 66. We know that this is 90. The only one that we don't know is we don't know this one in the middle. But what we do know is that angles on a straight line. Finish it for me. Angles on a straight line at a common point add up to how much? Dorcia.
180.
180, very good. So if we know that B, 90, and C is equal to 180, how are we going to get C?
Add, then subtract.
Very good. Add, then subtract. What are we going to add?
66 plus 90.
Very good. So we're going to add 66 and 90. And when we add 66 and 90, class, when y'all add 66 and 90, what we all get?
24.
24.
156.
Sorry.
No
I
problem.
got minus it. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. 66 plus 90 is what?
150.
She laughing. 66 plus 90 is what?
150.
156. 156.
156. Very good. 156. Cool. And then we have to subtract it. So, Dorcia, what are we going to do to 156? Dorcia?
Subtract it.
With
by
what?
180.
180. Very good. Thank you, Dorcia. And when we subtracted 180, what do we get?
24.
Now we get 24. Very good. So she was saying the end result, which is good. So the correct answer is going to be 24. C is equal to 24. Does that make sense to us? Y'all understand this so far? Does it make sense to y'all?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Alexi, where's Alexi? Alexi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Keep your mic on, please.
Okay.
Let me change this. Alexi Fowler. And then says someone else who always is a Zoom user.
I can mute now?
Yeah, you can mute now.
All right. Thanks.
I know Brene. Where's Brene?
Hello.
Oh, okay. I thought you were a Zoom user. So who is this Zoom user? I don't know what this is. I know it's usually Dorcia.
Junie.
It might be Juniana. Juniana? Where's Juniana? Can't have her. So I don't know who's this Zoom user. So if you're a Zoom user, if you're logged in as Zoom user, just put your name in the chat so I can know who you is. So I can put your actual name. All right, class. Do we understand this so far? Do you all get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's good. So take a picture of this and send me via WhatsApp. Again, this is, what time is it anyway? Oh, it's only 7:28. Okay, so take a picture of your work and send me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send me via WhatsApp. This is a instance where you have like basically a full page of just geometry. It could come like this sometimes. So just be ready for any instance. Okay. All right, cool. So Deshaun, are you finished writing this down? Deshaun?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you sending your notes?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Dion Thompson, I see you just arrived. Where's Dion? Dion Thompson, can you hear me? Where's Dion Thompson? Dion Thompson, can you hear me? Where's Dion? Okay, can't really hear from Dion. Dion Thompson, can you hear me? And we have I know Davini is here. D'Angelo, yes?
I can be excused, please.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. D'Angelo, where's D'Angelo Taylor? D'Angelo Taylor. I see your notes, D'Angelo, but I need that from you. Where's D'Angelo Taylor? Okay, still can't hear from D'Angelo. Y'all want some unseen quizzes from yesterday, or y'all good?
Nope.
Come on, man.
I think we
Come
can
on,
do
man.
it out. I think we can
Come
do it
on,
out.
man. Maybe like it's a slight one here and there. You know, y'all should be experts
I
now.
actually see, now he sounds sad, y'all. Why don't we do it for him? That's fine. I think we can do it out though.
Wow, Leia, not you. You supposed to.
Wait, what are we talking about here?
Leia, you supposed to be championess,
Unseen
Layla.
quizzes.
Leia, come on, Leia. Come on.
Oh, we're talking
Leia,
about
you supposed to. Leia, you supposed to be saying, "Are you ready?" You of all
You know,
people.
give us it. Let's see what happened.
I better be ready to get up for school.
I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Leia, you don't sound like that. Sound like you're ready at all times.
Nope.
I feel the same. I feel the same as you right now.
All right, so take a picture of this and send to me via WhatsApp. Yeah, the unseen questions would be interesting. I think
We're getting unseen what?
I just saying they would be interesting. I don't know if I want to put you all through that.
Try me tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Yeah, I think tomorrow would be better. I honestly do. I think tomorrow would be, they just say latest grader. So tomorrow, I think, in fact, tomorrow is a good day for quizzes because we'll be finished.
It is not really.
Yeah, we'll be finished with all the easy stuff. Then we can actually get into those actual on those unseen questions trying to say. So, all right, so tomorrow we're gonna dial it up, right? So y'all, I understand y'all want to save all the quizzes for tomorrow. I get it.
What?
I understand. I
never said.
I understand. No,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That was never
Sounds
said.
like a good idea. Do any unseen
No.
quizzes until
I told
tomorrow.
you this one.
No, I understand. I get it. I get it. So we can leave.
You get it. It's the imaginary student telling you this.
I got. See, what I was thinking is we could do 5 today, 5 tomorrow, but y'all want to do all 10 tomorrow. So I got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All 10.
Listen, so no. How about we do 5 now and we do the other 5 tomorrow?
No, we should do all 10 tomorrow.
Really? All 10 tomorrow?
None tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
None any other day.
No, sir.
Mrs. Petit, please. We could do 5 now and do the other 5 tomorrow.
10 tomorrow.
For 5 days. Think about
Oh,
it.
wow.
Two each. You know.
Mr.
Really?
Petit.
Yes.
Mr. Petit, 10 tomorrow.
It sounds good. You could split
10 tomorrow? 10 tomorrow.
Who invited
Yes,
you?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 10 tomorrow.
10 tomorrow. I got you. I got
No,
it.
but that is one person. That is a minority, Mr. Petit. You're going with the minority over the majority right now.
No, actually, y'all told me y'all didn't want them, so I understand. Y'all told me for the break. I was like, Mr. Petit.
Oh boy.
Thank you, Mr. Petit. Thank you.
Hey, that is the imaginary student talking in your head.
Wait,
That would
who
be
is
sweet.
the student?
He's a great student. Great student.
Come on.
Great student.
I
Excellent
need to know who this is so we can round him out.
No. We don't do that in there. No,
If the chat was open.
That's the problem. That's why the chat is closed now.
We all need a riot.
All right. I still think that we need to do one more. If we have time, then I'll give you some quizzes. But if we don't, then just to see. All right. So this is gonna be our last one, our last question from these easy stuff. And then we're gonna get into the hard stuff. If not today, tomorrow. Okay. So this is our final question. So this one is very similar to what we had earlier, the one that we had previously, where they give you a question and they want you to answer. They give you a diagram, they want you to answer some questions based off of it, and it's more like triangular in nature. Cool. So what we're gonna do is we want to go ahead and consider what sort of triangle is this. Now, they said that G, Q, and L is an isosceles triangle. Now, that is very important for us because even though they didn't put the lines, so they usually just put the line here and line here. They didn't do that, but they told us that this is an isosceles triangle. So that means that we could actually put the lines ourselves, right? So if they tell you it's an isosceles triangle, then you have to treat it as if it's an isosceles triangle. So we put the lines here just for our sake. Now, if we know this is isosceles triangle, if this is 12 centimeters, what must this side also be? If we know it's isosceles triangle. If this is 12 centimeters,
12 centimeters.
what must the other side be? It must also be,
Meters.
it must also be 12 centimeters. Because based on the definition of isosceles triangle, means that what two sides are it's on
Equal.
two sides are equal.
Yeah, equal.
Yeah, two sides are equal. So what is the length of GL? What's the length of GL?
12 centimeters.
12 centimeters, very good. 12 centimeters. Now we want to calculate the size of angle Q. Angle Q is this guy. So how are we going to get the size of angle Q? This is like very similar to what we just did. What are we going to do? We're going to the size of angle Q. We know that this is an isosceles triangle. The base angles are equal. So we're going to do, we're going to what? We're going to subtract 180 with what?
24.
Very good. 180 with 24 degrees. Let me say 180 minus 24. What is 180 minus 24? That gives us what? What do I get when you're subtracted?
156.
156, really?
Wait, hold on.
I'm not sure. I didn't work it out.
156.
156, that's 2%. So more than likely, you're right.
156.
156. So we have 180 minus 24. I got 156. Yeah, 156. We got 156 degrees. So we subtracted, and then now after we subtracted, we are going to divide, right? Yeah, divide. So we're gonna take 156 and we can divide it by what?
2.
Divided by 2. We divided by 2 because this angle Q and angle L are what? They are what?
Equal.
They are equal. Very good. So we say 156, right? Divided by 2. When we are divided by 2, which I'll get. One 156 divided by 2 is 156 divided by 2 is
78.
78. Yeah, I got 78 as well. 78 degrees. So the answer here is that angle Q is equal to 78. Angle Q. This is another way to represent our angle. Angle Q is equal to 78 degrees. And the reason is because obviously angles in a triangle are at 180 degrees. But also isosceles isosceles triangles, well, they have two sides and two angles that are equal. All right. So what we're gonna do now is I want you to take a picture of this and send them maybe WhatsApp. We have a few short moments, so we could do a few quizzes. So still works out. So let me erase this. X this out. Okay, so let me clear our drawings. Boom, boom, boom. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Do I even have any more geometry questions?
I hope not.
Oh no. I don't know. It's I might have given y'all what number we stopped to yesterday? 4? I think 4. I think we stopped at 4 yesterday. So with these ones, use the video. The video is gonna be helpful. I'm not gonna not give you all the video. Yeah, you're gonna get the video this time. Because you all need the video.
Need?
Need.
Need?
Y'all?
Yes.
I still trying to figure out who it's y'all.
Lucky
Yeah.
y'all, because one day their questions might be need.
Need.
Need is a very strong word.
Need.
Is a
Yeah.
strong word.
Need. Yep. Need. If I don't give you all this, y'all good. Not.
We appreciate the help here.
Yeah.
We appreciate the thought, but it's like
Wow.
really?
Wow.
Right, coming before the fall.
Wow. All right, so we have, I mean, it's fine. I guess they're confident. That's fine. Nothing wrong with being confident. But we'll see, right? No misclicks now, especially from Leah and Davini. No misclicks.
Most likely me too.
We see no misclicks from
I
me.
think you think too much of me.
No misclicks. No
I'll try. I
misclicks.
can't promise.
Misclicks from me, right? No more misclicks.
Yes, no
I
misclicks
have
from
lotion
Tyler
on my
either.
hand and kind of slippery. No promise.
I didn't use Hackett.
Lotion on your hand is crazy. Pause. My. All right.
Whoa.
Once you start the quiz, please put started. Please click started inside the chat. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. All right, this is quiz number 1. Like in the new number 1. This is actually number 5, to be honest. But it's like the new number 1. It's like the number 1 for us for today. All right, so that's quiz number 5. So I'm glad we getting some quiz in because that'll be too much to put on y'all for tomorrow. Too much. All right, so once you start the quiz, please put start. I actually have 25 of these quizzes. I just realized that on the same topic.
25?
Yeah, 25.
Wow.
So imagine if you ought to leave them for tomorrow. It would have been crazy.
I didn't know about leaving that for tomorrow, man.
Exactly.
I know about any of the days if it's 25.
Man, just throw them out.
Yes, it's 25. I didn't realize I did all that. Like it's like I don't have a life. All right, so this is gonna be quiz number 2. Let me give you all quiz number 2. I gotta look at these grades and see if you all need the video right now. See right now.
The video's a little helpful reminder.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so now you want to switch with the video. I want to switch up on the video.
No, man. I just saying. I just noticed certain things. That's all. And Just notice and everything. So, Aliyah, please read your quiz. Well, she did it already. Very good, Ethan. Very good, Kalia. Very good, Malik. Very good, Davanik. Deshaun, please read your quiz. Very good, Aliyah. Very good, Tyler. Okay, Tyler. Put some respect. What do you need to do,
On
Tyler?
my name.
Number 2, please.
Very good. Very good. Tyler, what they gotta do, man, Tyler? I think they heard you. I think.
Put some respect on my name.
Hold on. We need video, but I guess 606. What's going on?
All right, Leslie. Redo your quiz. Jai, very good. Courtney, very good. Leah Scrawn. Okay. All right. All right. And there.
After all, I didn't need the video.
Cleveland, I ain't sure
It's a
about that.
helpful little reminder.
I ain't sure about that. I know
Don't
what
ditch
y'all
the
do.
video.
Very good, Brandon. Very good, Deshaun. Very good, Nalia. Very good, China. Very good, Marvin. Carlton Scrawn, please redo your quiz. Very good, Latavia. Very good, Carly C. Jed Monroe. Please redo your quiz. Renee Sweeting, please redo your quiz. All right, I need more persons to finish quiz 1 before I send quiz 2. It don't make no sense me sending quiz 2 and y'all ain't finish quiz 1. I need more persons to finish quiz 1 before I send quiz 2. So go ahead, finish quiz 1, guys. Very good, Casey. Very good, Carlton. We need. Okay, now I can send you quiz 2. Good, that's enough. Okay, good. So very good, Jed. So quiz 2. Quiz 2. All right, so quiz 2 is also pretty nice. This one is easy though. Quiz 2 is easy. Quiz 2 is easy. Like again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat again. Once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. I will go also look and observe and see the results for quiz 2. Which is really quiz 6. Yeah, which is really quiz 6. If we combine from yesterday. Okay, cool. Let's check these grids. Very good, Cordell. Very good, Ayana. Very good, Anthony. Very good, Keyshawn.
Thank you.
Very good, Andre. Andre, what's happening? Slips, finger slipping. Very good, Ren. Very good. Misclick. Okay, that's good. I understand. Very good, Brian. Very good, Ashton. Very good, Jaden Pyfrom. These are quiz 1 people. Very good, Kelvin Gordon. Quiz 1, if you haven't finished quiz 1, please finish quiz 1. For those of us who are done with quiz 1, quiz 2 is inside the chat. So again, if you're done with quiz 1, you can also do quiz 2. Very good, Andre. Very good, Cleveland. Very good, Cleveland. Very good, Cleveland.
In the season.
Yeah, very good, Cleveland. Jed Monroe, please read your quiz. But very good job, Cleveland. Very good. You're the first one. Got all right. So,
Third?
yeah, the first. Very good, Kay Leah. You're the second one.
You gotta get that in Kahoot.
I know, right? Are we having Kahoot today, class? What are we doing? I know.
Today. No, sir.
No, not today.
Today.
Is it 2 weeks already?
Yeah, it is 2 weeks.
Has 2 weeks been gone?
We kind of need English.
Actually, it hasn't really been 2 weeks yet, so.
Tyler, it hasn't been 2 weeks?
It has.
It hasn't for me. It hasn't.
Say, Tyler, say for me, it hasn't.
It has.
Alright.
It doesn't feel like it though. I feel like it's a week pass.
I feel like 3 weeks to me.
It is not.
Very good, Malik. Courtney,
Well,
please read your
actually,
quiz.
it's kind of like 8 days because it's 24 days is we have Zoom class.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Very good, Malik. Very good, Leah. Or Leah, my bad. Very good, China. Very good. Deshaun, please read your quiz. Very good, Jed Monroe. Very good, Tyler. Very good, Renee's reading. Very good, Ethan. Very good, Latavia. Very good, Marvin. Ashton, please read your quiz. Casey, very good, Casey. Silent but deadly. Carly C, please redo your quiz. Again, Ashton, redo your quiz. Quiz 2, Carly C, redo your quiz. Very good, Deshaun. Courtney, redo your quiz. Jed Monroe, redo your quiz. That's it. Very good, Courtney. Very good, Deshaun. Very good, Abrielle. Very good, Abrielle. Very good. All right, so I need more persons to finish quiz 3, quiz 2, then we can move on to quiz 3. Very good. Very good, Dominique. Very good, Ashton. Very good, Sharonik. Okay, so y'all are just about ready for quiz 3. So let me get ready for that. As y'all get ready, I need to get ready. So quiz 3, quiz 3. Quiz 3. Quiz 3 is going to be the only one that I don't give y'all a video for. Let's see how y'all do. No video. Just looking at the question.
Y'all was just what was the grass? Y'all was just saying we don't need no video.
Yes, sir. No video.
No video? Okay, good. I got you. I got you. No video. No video. All right, cool. So, but I think y'all can get it. I really think y'all can get it. Okay, so this is easy. Just like you don't need a video for this. Yes.
May I use the restroom, please?
Yes, you can. Again, once you started quiz 3, please put started inside the chat. Again, once you started quiz 3, please put started inside the chat. No video. So let's see how y'all do with that. Very good, Jaden Pyfrom. Very good. Avery Ferguson, please redo your quiz. Leslie, please redo your quiz. Very good, Alphanique. Very good, Nalia. Very good, Brandon Campbell. Anthony. Anthony, you have to redo this quiz. Anthony, you have to redo your quiz. Keyshawn? Keyshawn, what happened?
That was a misclick, I'm glad.
Misclick, okay, I understand.
What happened to known misclicks?
Some promises just can't be kept.
All right. Let's see quiz 3. I think that's Carlton. I think Carlton up, everyone top. Everyone top. All right, let's see.
How fast was I?
Let's see. Whoa. Cleveland, you get this. You did it. You're the first one.
I go first?
Yeah, you get the first one. Yeah. Fair and square. Fair and square. Did I give you all the video for this? Wait. Is the video there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh, the video is there?
Yes, sir.
I thought the video wasn't there. Oh, golly.
Yeah. Fair and square.
Oh, golly. Never mind. Let me take that back. Oh, wow. I thought I deleted the video. Oh.
Really?
All I can say, God on your side. He on your side. He love y'all. He love y'all. Y'all are his children. Trust me. All right. All right, quiz 4 then. I wasn't gonna give out quiz 4, because
So you switch up and give us a quiz 4 because you forgot.
Because I forgot the video. See how life works.
Wow.
Just
wow.
Certain things you can't win for losing, man. That's the problem now. All right, so I honestly thought. So quiz 3, okay, I gave out quiz 3. Most persons doing pretty well in quiz 3, so we just need a few more persons to finish quiz 3, then I can send out quiz 4. You know what? I have to send out quiz 4 now because we don't have enough time. So let me just send it out right now. Quiz 4. Only the brave ones Only the brave ones will be able to weather quiz 4. To weather the storm.
Not, I ain't brave.
Of the quiz 4. Yeah, you're brave. And the land of the free. And the home. Y'all know the song.
Let's not do that.
I just know the love song.
Y'all didn't know the song? I thought y'all was it, man.
We know the song, Mr. Petit. You can't keep assuming that we don't know the song.
You all
Spangled Banner.
Y'all didn't know the song. Y'all didn't know the song. Yeah, finish it then. Finish it then if y'all know it so much. Exactly.
No, you
exactly.
I know the song and just tell you let's not do that.
Mr. D,
you sang the end of the song though.
No, I didn't sign the. I didn't sign the end of the song. There's a part.
You sang the end of the song.
I did not. Y'all don't know the song. That's the problem right there. That's the problem right there. That's the problem right there. Do quiz 4.
Is that the American national anthem?
Yes, the Star Spangled Banner. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah. And the home. I don't see y'all ain't ready, man. That's your problem. Don't think you're ready.
I'm not ready because I'm not American. I'm a Bahamian.
All of us soon become Americans. Watch.
I know that's true. I know it's true.
I didn't know you speak French.
All of us soon become Americans. Watch. At this rate. All right, quiz 4. See how this goes. Cleveland, redo your quiz.
Man, I was so close, man.
Yeah,
I had a streak and everything.
He was close. He was close. He was close. Very good, KCO. KCO got this one, Cleveland. But you was close. And KCO got a 6 out of 6. No video. I gave you the video on this, please. All right, I didn't. Okay, good. Cool. Okay, good. All right, so this is organic. Let's see how y'all do. A Leo? Oh my goodness, these grades. Very good, Casey. Courtney, redo your quiz. Leslie, redo your quiz. Aaliyah, do your
I heard the answer and I just ain't going through.
My finger just slipped.
We've been slipping lately. Slippery fingers. Ania, redo your quiz. Andre, redo your quiz. Cleveland, very good. Keyshawn, redo your quiz.
Mr. Badit, I
What category I got in?
You got the second.
I'm the second?
Yeah, you're the second. They get all right,
I think
yeah.
those showing help for real.
Leslie, very good, Leslie. Very good, Courtney. Deshaun, redo your quiz. Malik, redo your quiz.
Dang it! I was one off. No.
Andre, redo your Andre. Very good, Andre. Very good, Andre.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Leo. Come on, Leo. I didn't even acknowledge that. I didn't even see that. Very good, Leo.
You didn't see what?
Very good. That's all I got to say. Very good. Very good, Brandon Campbell. Brandon Campbell got it on the first try. Very good, Brandon. Very good, Ania. Alphanik, please redo your quiz. Ashton Newbold, please redo your quiz. This is tough, right? I know this is tough. So what we're gonna do tomorrow, we're gonna go over some of these because they might be giving us some problems. Very good, Malik Rule. Very good, Deshaun. Tyler, so close. Oh my goodness. Very good, Carly C. If you're able to get this all right on the first or second try, very good. Like, this is a difficult quiz. Well, not difficult because we don't really use the word difficult there, but it's an interesting quiz, right? One that requires a little, thought. And very good, Ethan. Where's Ethan? Ethan got on the
Actually,
first
would it
try.
trick me into clicking that I got waiting for the fifth?
Very good. Renee, can you please read your quiz? Very good, Latavia. She got on the first try. Jai, read your quiz. Renee, read your quiz. Davanique. Very good, Davanique. I only see one submission from you, so that's your first try. So very good, Davanique.
I don't know why women are just so slippery.
Yeah, I don't know. It's you got 4
Mine
6
is
again.
too, but guess what?
Very good, Ashton Newbold. Very good, Sharonique. Tyler. Very good. Very good, Jai. Y'all doing pretty good in this.
Thank you.
Very good. All right. The rest of us, please complete quiz 4. Very good, Renee. Very good, Dorcia. Very good, Alphanique. Very good, who else? We still have some more people who are not doing this quiz. Everyone should be doing quiz 4 or quiz 3. Carlton Strawn, please read your quiz. And Carlton Strawn gets so many tags on people. Where are we? Carlton, read your quiz. All right, so we have to go to. I already see some of my language people popping. I wonder why they're here. I wonder why they are here. What do we have? Very good, Renee Keneally. It is 8 o'clock. All right.
Mr. Petit.
Yes.
How long is English?
English is the same regular time, 8 to 9. I don't know. I don't know how we get. I don't know. Let me ask Ayana. Ayana, where's Ayana?
Yes, sir.
You're the class president, right? Not from last time.
Yes, sir.
Has it been 2 weeks yet?
Yes, sir, it has.
Yes, sir.
It has. You think we should do it today? You think we should do it today or wait till next
I
week?
would say your word said 3 weeks,
can
but
do it
like
today,
you're
Mr.
not gonna
Lee.
take your own word, so I don't know.
It's only been a week. I didn't know it was 2
I'm not
weeks.
talking to Ayana. Ayana, what you think? It doesn't matter.
That's what majority rule want to do.
Okay, whatever the majority want to do. Today.
I
We
don't
should
feel
do
like
it on Mars.
maybe next week.
I'm feeling it. I'm not feeling it. We could do it maybe after Easter break. We could do it after Easter break.
Okay, I can live
Yeah.
with that. I didn't feel like doing this anything.
That's really long, don't you
That's
think?
Dominique say. Dominique, what you
Mr.
saying,
Petit.
man? Dominique, what happened? Dominique.
That's really long.
Dominique.
You giving her a full month?
I think she deserved it, right? What do you think?
I think you had like 3 weeks for a term. I don't think you should really be rowing, but okay.
I think she deserved it. Dominique. What you think?
Shouldn't be flapping and tapping.
Dominique say we could be calm. Yeah, you're right. It's a long time, but I don't want to do it during. I don't do it today. I definitely don't want to do it today. So we could do it. I was gonna do it next week, but we can't do it next week.
Mr. Petit.
Because next week, we could do it after the Easter break. Even though we have classes, we still have classes during the Easter break, but I still want to wait till after to do the thing up. So we shall see. All right, so we're gonna be doing reading comprehension. Reading comprehension. And the next time we do class president, we need everyone to root for whoever wins. Whoever wins, then they're the class president. No, what they call it? No rivalry against the class president. The class president is class president.
Miss Petite.
Do you understand that, Tyler?
Yes, sir. What I do?
So if Dominique win, I win none. She win.
That's okay.
Okay, good.
I don't I may well, but I don't complain.
Yeah, we gotta. Yes, someone have a question?
I was telling you, trying to say check your phone.
My phone is dead.
Also, you have subject for reading comprehension.
You're right. Okay, good. Okay, so we're doing English language today. Okay, so English language today is going to be, we're just gonna do a reading comprehension passage. So I'm not gonna give you all any notes. We're just gonna go straight to the passage.
Yay.
Yeah, we're just gonna go straight to the passage. So
no writing all day?
Yeah, no notes. Y'all want notes
Thank
on,
God.
reading comprehension?
No notes.
No, sir. I would rather not write. Thank you.
Yeah, we don't need notes on reading comprehension.
Thank
How are we
God.
gonna take notes on reading?
Reading comprehension. All you gotta do is read
Notes
and
in your head?
comprehend. Read and comprehend. Like, I don't know what else y'all want me to say.
So all of this is going to be in the exam.
We read it, but are we writing? No.
Yeah, so the exam, they test reading comprehension. So they test how well you're able to comprehend stuff. So you all have to be able to do that, right? So today we're not really focus on, we're not gonna focus on any notes, just practice. So that means you have to listen to the question, listen to the story, and then do the quiz. That's it. Pretty simple, right? So good. So let me just give you all this reading comprehension passage.
Yes, but are we doing the cuckoo thing today?
No, we're doing it week after next.
Yeah, so thank you.
All right, so good. So all right, so I want to know which one have we done. Okay, this is a good paper. All these are good. I like all these stories. I don't even know which one to choose, but all these are good. Let's go with I like this one. Can you survive 24 hours without social media?
Yep.
Yep.
One answer, no.
I've done it for a month, so you can do it easily.
Can you survive 24 hours without social media?
Mr. Petit, I like one of your
I
videos.
occupy myself really well.
You could occupy yourself really well. Okay, cool. All right, so that's gonna be the topic. By the way, put your name in the chat if you want to read. Again, put your name in the chat if you want to read.
I don't think I could even survive without TikTok.
Wow. All right. That's called an addiction, son.
That's what's wrong with y'all kids nowadays. Y'all using TikTok.
Wow.
Indeed, that's what's wrong with me.
Say kids. Say kids. Wow. Say kids.
I'd be bored out of my mind without
I'm
it.
like a grown man in a child's body.
All right. All right. So put your name inside the chat with all that talking. Put your name inside the chat if you want to read. All right. So again, put your name inside the chat if you want to read. This is a very long passage, so
Can I see the passage first?
it's an easy passage. Easy
Mr.
passage.
Petit, what's your favorite subject?
I like the subjects that y'all interested in. So whatever subjects that y'all engaged in, I like that. All right, so cool. So let's go ahead and we're gonna start off with Tyler. So go ahead, Tyler. Can you survive?
Can you survive 24 hours without social media? Can you handle 24 hours without your phone? I asked my followers on Instagram, telling them about Digital Detox Day, a campaign that aims to bring awareness to the negative effects of social media. Can you? Friends replied to my stories. The question was valid. I am pretty attached to my phone. It's the first thing I reach for when I wake up. It's the last thing I touch before I fall asleep. My husband often complains, but I can't help it. There is always something to post, tweet, snap, or follow. My attachment to social media was having such a negative impact on my family life that I wanted to prove my prove to my husband, my followers, and myself that I could step away and live more in the moment. That's right. No Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or WhatsApp for one whole day.
All right. Bear in mind, this was written in 2022, so that's when it was called Twitter. It's now called what?
X, which is a dumb name.
X. It's called X.
Only could be Elon Musk.
Yeah, cool, Elon Musk, bro.
YouTube
Yeah, but
All
about
right.
need to man who's name his kids after numbers.
No Prime
Facts.
Video.
All right.
No Netflix.
Jeremiah, don't get me wrong.
Sorry. Don't get me wrong. I love social media. It's incredible in so many ways. As as part of my job as a human resources manager, I use Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to conduct background checks on potential employees. Also, my construction company, Paradise Builders, took off after I started posting pictures and videos of its construction projects to Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. However, as the years have progressed and social media has grown, it's clear that it has its flaws too. Comparison, criticism, cyberbullying, a disconnect from reality. Digital Detox Day made me think about just how dependent I've been on social media. I call where am I call my husband to eat using Messenger when I could just go to the living room and say, "Honey, dinner's ready." Also, because restaurants now place their menus along the pits of satisfied customers.
Bye-bye.
It's okay. Customers on Instagram and Facebook. That's how I order food. In addition, I buy toys on Facebook, and it's my primary mode of communication with friends. We don't even text anymore.
Very good. Adasa on Friday night.
On Friday night, I drew a circle on my palm, write the word off in the middle, took a photo, and of course, posted it to all of my accounts, promising to fully commit to my Saturday away from social media. But before the clock struck 12, I had things to do. First, I offered a package deal to my Facebook and WhatsApp friends, a stroller, car seat, crib, and baby swing, all in excellent condition for $500. While on Facebook, I check for any new posts by Queen Fashions, my favorite clothing store. Great new arrivals. I would have to stop by before they sold out. Still on Facebook, I needed to comment on Happy, the clown's timeline. Though his profile featured more than 3,000 followers, many happy children had described him as an expert in children's entertainment. Joshua's reaction was hilarious. Then the perfect idea struck me. Why not tweet that video of Joshua screaming and running away? Done. Immediately after that, I added 20 new pics to my WhatsApp status. Finally, I Instagrammed a photo of my dog looking miserable while I gave him a bath. Then, seconds before midnight, I switched off all my social media notifications and put my phone down. I knew that all of these little things, coupled with how often I was scrolling, were eating away at my relationship with Mike and impacting how I interacted with the children. Things had to change.
This woman was addicted. And she's posts everything.
Sounds like
Oh my
someone.
goodness.
Be private.
Oh my goodness. Leslie, in the next 24 hours.
In the next 24 hours, I realized just how addicted I had become to social media. How was that tweet I sent last night doing? Had it gone viral yet? What was Linda from high school doing while on vacation in Orlando? Had anyone on Instagram eaten anything fun for breakfast? How many people liked the pic?
Continue.
I snapped in the driveway yesterday morning. Did my neighbors really enroll their children in a private school? Was my niece keeping up with that weight loss challenge? Those posts would be gone by the time I was back online, and a whole day of life would be forever lost to me. I was completely out of the loop and thought it was and it was driving me crazy.
Wow. Alphanute, to make it through. Yes, you can, Dion.
To make it through, I centered myself by watching our children at play. It was fascinating to learn that these little people I share a home with have interest and personalities. I watched for hours and
and or as they played with various toys in their playroom and invented imaginary worlds. Then, aware occurrence, I went outside and felt the sun as Joshua and Morgan engaged in activities such as ball throwing and chasing each other. For some reason, they wanted me to join in. It was amazing.
Very good. Ayana, later.
Later, ordering our usual feast from Mama's kitchen required some finesse. I had to Google the restaurant to find the phone number and actually call the order in. When we sat down for dinner, I instinctively reached for my phone, but a quick glance at Mike forced me to halt. There would be no posting of my plate and waiting to see the likes and comments from my friends. Instead, Mike insisted that I give my attention to the children and actually talk to them. I complied, asking if they were enjoying their meal and if they wanted to play a game or watch a movie after dinner. Soon, everyone gathered in the living room to watch an animated movie as a family. I was mesmerized by the incessant giggles and Mike's ability to mimic the voices of the characters. Apparently, they had seen this movie many times before.
Wow. It's as if she don't live there. Davanique, eventually. Can't have from Davanique, so we're gonna go with um
What?
eventually.
Oh, oh, gee, I already have my mic on. I thought you guys could hear me. Oh.
Go ahead.
Eventually, the children fell asleep, and Mike indicated that he wanted to talk for a minute. I knew what that meant. It was the first time in months that we had a real conversation. Never once to mince words. Mike urged me to take an honest look at myself and my intentions. Why was I posting? Was I genuinely proud and wanted to share with friends and loved ones? Was I competing with other parents for likes and shares? Was I fishing for compliments for myself? By posting the children's pictures online and actively tracking the post popularity, did I realize that I was teaching Joshua and Morgan to measure their own worth based on how many people clicked that like button?
Very good. Thank you.
Continue?
No, no, that's it, that's it. Malik, Mike even cited.
Mike even cited a couple examples to illustrate how distracted I was as a parent. Joshy finally did a number 2 in the toilet, and Megan fell into the clothes hamper head first. My tweets had read. He reminded me of how I had absolutely absent-mindedly grabbed my smartphone and snapped away instead of assisting Joshua with cleaning himself or quickly rescuing Morgan from that scary dive into the clothes hamper. As Mike put it, my behavior was often irrational and ridiculous. Though his criticisms were harsh, his concerns were all valid. Why was this so important to me anyway?
Continue.
The truth is that there seems to be an unofficial competition on social media to be the funniest, wittiest, most amazing parent, and it was causing me to miss opportunities for natural parent-child interaction. I was too busy clamoring for likes, loves, favorites, and retweets. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but thanks to Facebook, the worth of a picture is now based on 1,000 likes. I had been peppering my timelines with photos and updates, sometimes multiple times a day, and no topic was off limits, from potty training accidents to vomit shots. When Joshua and Morgan are old enough, will they feel embarrassed or even violated by the digital footprint I have created for them? I needed to carefully consider the long-term impact of my pictures and comments regarding our children.
Very good. Leah, furthermore. Leah, furthermore. Okay, can't really hear from Leah, so we're gonna go Leah. Where's Leah? No. So we're gonna go with Ayana. Ayana, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
No, not Ayana. Ayana. Ayana Maki. Okay, so we're gonna go with Tyler. Furthermore.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, go ahead, Ayana. Then Tyler will read the next one.
Furthermore, social media was draining me of more times than I thought possibly, and that it is time that I could have spent with my family. I never had time to watch a movie or play with the children because I'm always too busy or too tired, but never too busy or too tired to post, comment, like, follow, or subscribe. Moving forward, I vow to set limits for myself by turning off my device at dinner tables and a couple hours before bedtime. I would set a good example for our kids and gain back quantity time to connect without the screens.
Very good. Tyler, I'm gonna let Cleveland read this. I saw his name. So go ahead, Cleveland. That was. Cleveland.
Yes, sir.
That was.
That was my biggest lesson from Digital Detox Day. Social media is beneficial as long as you use it wisely, as long as you don't let it consume you, and as long as you remember that there's an entire world waiting for you that isn't on your screen.
Very good. Adapted from an article by.
Adapted from an article by Palm Pastor, which was published in the
Philippine.
in the Philippine Daily Inquirer on September 13th, 2020.
Very good. So can someone give me a synopsis, a general overview on what this is about?
Taking a break from social media.
Taking a break on social media. Very good. Anyone else? What is this whole passage about?
A woman who couldn't put down her phone long enough without posting everything she does, where she was so out of touch with her family she even forgot what her children actually like and that they have personalities.
Very good. Very good summary. What are some negative effects of being so addicted to social media that was discussed in this passage?
Not much family time.
Not much family time. Very good. What are the
Not
bad things?
knowing much about your kids.
He posted
knowing much.
everything instead of trying to help the kids.
Yeah, she posted everything instead of actually trying to help the children. Any other negative effect?
Not enough personal time.
Not enough personal time.
He didn't really know.
She didn't really know her family, right? She didn't really know her family.
Oh,
What was it?
privacy.
Privacy, yeah, lack of privacy.
You will be
right?
disconnected from the outside world.
Very good. You'll be disconnected from the outside world. What are some advantages of using social media that she talked about in the passage?
It helps her husband's business blow up, I'm pretty sure.
Yes, it helps her husband business. Yeah, what other advantage she talk about?
You could also use it to find places or something.
Very good. You can also use it to find places and phone numbers of. You could use it to
food.
You could use it to order food. Very good. What is the final general rule of using social media that she ended with? Final general rule that she. Yes, you could use it, but it has to have limits. So the question is, can you live 24 hours without social media?
Mr. Petty, I ain't gonna lie to you. As a
No,
punishment, I
to be
get 2
honest, not
weeks.
really.
No.
No.
I
Do
said
have to
No.
step
I
quickly?
could,
No.
and I'm standing on
I
it.
could, and I have many.
I
What you
could.
at me?
Yes, I can.
Casey, you said you can?
Yes, I can. And I have many times before. I went a week without social media or any form of
I
Facebook.
went 2
or-
weeks without social
Wow.
media as a
You're a
punishment.
very strong young
Listen,
lady.
T,
Wow.
no worries.
Wow.
One
So
time
the-
I
Mr.
just
Petite, I had to step away for a minute, so I didn't hear the last part.
Okay. I figured because okay. Yes.
One time I remember that really upset. I got grounded for a month without no phone, TV.
Wow. Wow, TV is strong. TV is hard. All right, so
Okay, I canceled out.
All right, so all those things we have to be just like the lady inside the passage, detox. All right, so all those things have limits and we don't want to be addicted to those things. All right, so the quiz is inside the chat. Once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. There are. It's out of 60. So this is out of 60.
Out of
So
what?
it's out of 60. It's out of 60. So that means that in order for you to pass this quiz, you have to get at least 48. Anything less than 48, you have to redo this quiz. So don't get nothing below 48. So have fun. All right, so everyone should be working on the quiz. Let me repost the quiz inside the chat because some people may just arrive. All right, it's out of 60, but there are only 30 questions. I think like each one is worth 2 points. Am I right? Or am I right? Yeah, it's only 30 questions. So so that means that you just have to you just have to answer those 30 questions. It's only out of 30. No problem, Layla. No problem, Layla. Okay, so okay, good. Good. So we have, let me repost the quiz. I'm gonna repost the quiz because person's internet is be, in and out, in and out, in and out. All right, so Tyler, what number you on?
I skimming through the questions to see what I remember before.
Okay. Malik, what number you on?
Also.
Number 4. Good. Travis, what number you on?
Number 5.
Number 5. Samaya, what number you on?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Not to cheat or anything, but just click the ones that have the longest answer.
Okay. And Scrawn?
2.
Number 2. Shamar? Shamar, where's Shamar?
So,
What number you on?
number 3.
Okay, did you send any of your math notes?
Not yet, no, sir.
Okay, I was trying to get your attention in math, but you wasn't responding. Were you there?
Yes, sir. No, hold on. When no.
In math. During
Yes,
math.
sir.
Okay. Have you sent in your work? Well, have you sent in your math notes?
Not yet. Do I have them now?
Okay. Very good, Kalia. You could leave.
Good night.
Good night. Renique Neely, what number you on?
Number 10.
Number 10, good. Patrick, what number you on? Patrick, what number you on?
I'm on number 12.
Okay, good.
Not in my prime.
Okay, you could go, Cleveland. Leslie.
Oh my God, Grace.
Leslie, you have to redo your quiz. You have to at least get a 40 8. Leslie, you got a 44, so you have to redo that. So if you get anything lower than 48, you have to redo your quiz. Again, if y'all get anything lower than 48, y'all have to redo your quiz, right? So just be careful of that. Malia, what number you on? Malia, what number you on?
You calling me?
Yes, what number you on?
Number 8.
Number what?
Finish Presbyterian.
8.
Number 8, okay, good. Renique Neely, you have the redo your quiz. Jeremiah, very good. Leo.
Well, what did I try?
Leo, what happened to the 60 or the 60, man?
I try.
That's still fine. You did well. Very good. You can go. Once we get above 48, that's okay. You'll have to get above 48, 48 and above in order to leave. Oh, boy. Courtney, what number you on?
Number 10.
Number 10, that's good. Latavia, what number you on?
I am number 20.
Number 20, that's good. Very good, Davinique. Very good, Demio.
Good night.
Good night. Ashton Newbold, please read your quiz. Very good, Andre. You can leave. All right. All right. Kanan, what number you on? Kanan, what number you on? Kind of from Kanan. So you're gonna go with Keyshawn, what number you on? Very good. Wait, Avery of the radio quiz. It's simply get at least a 58, 48. Very good, Travis. Very good, Latavia. Very good, Dorcia. Again, if you get anything less than 48, you have to redo it. Keyshawn. Keyshawn. Very good, Carly C. Anthony, you have the radio quiz. You have to get at least a 48. Casey, very good, Malik. Very good, Malik. That's impressive. Deshaun. Deshaun got exactly 48. Very good, Deshaun. Leslie, very good, Leslie. You can leave. Very good, Ayano. Very good, Ayano. Good night.
Good night.
Very good, Tyler. Very good. Very good. Kaden, where's Kaden? Kaden, can you hear me? Where's Kaden? Kaden, can you hear me? Very good, Malia roll. Very good, Malia roll. Kaden, where's Kaden? Um, very good, Dion Thompson. Casey, you could leave. You already finished, right? Casey, you finished? Well, I think you finished. No,
No, sir. I am currently
Oh,
checking my answers.
okay. Jaden, probably from what number you on?
Good night.
Good night. Very good, Casey. Very good, Casey.
Good night.
Good night. Very good, Adasa. Very good, Adasa. Emily, what number you on?
Good night.
Good night.
Number 25.
Okay. Cordell Brad. It's Cordell Brad.
Yes, sir.
What number you on, Cordell?
20.
What number you on, Cordell?
Number 20.
Number 20, okay. And Clayton, what number you on? Very good. Nick Neely, very good, Nick Neely. Avery, what number you on?
Pardon?
No, what number you on?
I'm on number 46 right now.
Okay, number 46, okay. Very good, Carlton. Very good, Courtney. Very good, Patrick. Anthony, what number you on?
27.
All right. Okay. Anthony, you say you're number 27?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Alexi, what number you on? Very good, Shamar. Brian Johnson, what number you on?
28.
28, okay.
I'm done.
All right. Okay, very good, Anthony.
Good night.
All right, no problem. Very good, Avery.
Good night.
Good night, good night. Very good, Jai. Very good,
Good night.
Avery. Very good, Cordell. All right, for the rest of us, we're gonna close up shop. Y'all make sure to finish up the quiz, and we're gonna call it an evening. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Take care.